Hello and welcome to the channel in another video. Today we are preparing this hibiscus and tamarind juice. It is so nice, it is so tasty, it is so refreshing. You can make it and freeze it, and it can be your iftar juice that you can serve your family this Ramadan. You don't need to be making juice every now and then. It can be served as a mojito. It can as well be served as tea. It is healthy, it is sugar free, and I love it. I love the combination of hibiscus and tamarind because it gives that sweet and tangy taste. So it balances well. That is why I decided to use it like this. So here I first wash the hibiscus, like you can see, because of where I got it from. You know, downtown where we get our stuff, things are exposed to lots and lots of things on the street. So after washing it, I add it in a pan with 3 cups of water. We are going to let it boil as we work on the rest of the ingredients. So please subscribe, like and share. So as hibiscus boils, we move on to the tamarind. Like you can see from where I got it, the pulp is already exposed. But if at all you have bought it and it still has those pods on it, then you open them and then you expose the pulp, and it is what we add in the juice. So we are going to add it and then let it also simmer along with the hibiscus. To that I added some bay leaves and cinnamon sticks for other health benefits. Tamarind aids in weight loss. It is good for the skin and the eyes. It is anti-diabetic. It has magnesium. It is full of antioxidants and many more other benefits. So as that boils, we move on to the pineapple. Remember, I told you that this juice has no sugar in it, so I will be using the pineapple to sweeten up just a little bit. So here I cut up the pineapple and then squeeze up the pineapple skin into the juice just to add more flavor to the juice, like you can see there in the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like and share. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Then I go ahead and cut up the pineapple in small pieces, like you can see there in the video. It already has other health benefits, the pineapple. So you can see that it is different flavors coming together to give us that very nice juice. Then I add the pineapple to a blender and add a little bit of water. Then blend everything until it is smooth. Then strain and get that pineapple juice. Share with me in the comment section what some of those recipes that you and your family enjoy during Ramadan. This is one of my go-to juice because it is easy to make and it is so quick. So like you can see, as the juice boils, the hibiscus, we have tamarind in there, and also the pineapple peels. Then to this, I add the beetroot. It's one of those hemoglobin fruits because it is rich in vitamin C. But because I cannot have it like on its own, it has that weird smell to me. So I prefer taking it along with other fruits by mixing different fruits along with hibiscus, and then you have that very nice juice. Trust me, when you mix it up with other fruits, you will not get that smell, and it will not affect you if it does, like it does to me. So here I use some of the pineapple juice and strain the hibiscus pretty well until I have a very nice juice that we are going to mix with the rest of the hibiscus and tamarind. So like here you see our juice is ready. It has already reduced, and here we take it up and let it cool. Once it cools, I use the glove to remove the pulp from the tamarind. Remember, tamarind has a seed in it inside, and on the outside there is a pulp. It is what we are looking for. That is why we soak it in hot water or boil it for some time. Then once it cools, you squeeze it and remove that pulp, and then you strain to have that very nice juice. So here we are straining the juice and we are almost done. Our juice will be ready. It is so refreshing. You can see that the ingredients are really simple ingredients that you can come up with at home that you can, get very easily in the market and make up this very nice juice full of nutrients, full of very many benefits. So you mix the hibiscus and tamarind juice along with the pineapple and beetroot juice, and you are good to go. If you want to add any sweetener of your choice, please do. You can add a little bit of sugar, you can add a little bit of honey, some maple syrup, and you are good to go depending on what you love. So here I was serving it as a mojito, so I added some mint leaves and some lemon slices. I then mixed all that up and then added some ice cubes for the refreshing bit. And to that, I was ready serving my juice. I loved it. It was really nice and it was so refreshing, full of nutrients, and it was really fulfilling. So perfect for iftar. So the next serving, I did some cucumbers and a little bit of ice cubes for the refreshing bit, and I was good to go. The juice was so nice. It was so refreshing. Please let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. This is how I served it and I loved every bit of it. So let me know what you think about the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.